Stop scrolling through a million apps. The way that you search for your next home just changed, possibly forever. Zillow is no longer just a website. It is officially inside of ChatGPT. This isn't a future headline. It is happening right now. You can talk to the world's most powerful AI and get real live property listings. Is this the end of traditional home search? Let's break down the pros and cons of the biggest real estate tech shift that we have seen in years. Before getting into the pros and cons, I want to demonstrate how you set this up in your ChatGPT account. This is called the Zillow App Connector. This isn't a simple data dump. It's powered by a dedicated Zillow app that operates inside of the ChatGPT environment. Connection is key. For this to function, you must first connect the Zillow app to your ChatGPT account. Step 1. Log into your account and just watch the little video that I've created here doing it. And this should be a free or a paid account in the US. Navigate to the settings, usually in the bottom left corner. Look for the section called Apps and Connections, and then finally just enable the Zillow App Connector. Once connected, the magic starts to happen. When you start a chat with a phrase like, "Zillow, find me rentals in Cary, North Carolina," ChatGPT recognizes the keyword and sends a secure request through the API directly to Zillow. And Zillow renders the real-time listings with photos and pricing right inside of your chat window. Or in the drop-down, you can switch it over to Zillow and you can enter your prompt without basically saying, "Zillow, do this," or "Zillow, do that." So now the pros and cons of this revolutionary new approach to home search. First, let's talk about the game changer, and that is conversational search. Before, you would go to the Zillow website and manually select filters like 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, $500,000 max with a fenced backyard. Now you can open ChatGPT and ask like you're talking to a highly efficient friend. An example prompt is, "Zillow, show me homes in Durham, North Carolina with a fenced backyard, an open concept kitchen, and great natural light for under $500,000. That is the #1 pro, effortless discovery. ChatGPT reads your prompt and interprets the intent like great natural light, and then serves you up listings that match those descriptive keywords, not just the technical specs. Pro #2, Zillow inside of ChatGPT gives unprecedented exposure to sellers if your home listing description is properly written. It now has the potential to reach a huge audience. That's hundreds of millions of people who use ChatGPT every week. That is a huge funnel for buyers. Pro #3, you can also get affordability insights. You can ask Zillow to run a basic scenario for you, like, "I have $30,000 to put down and $1,500 in monthly debt. What can I afford in Durham, North Carolina?" The AI will first prompt you to tell it your annual income, your credit score, and your preferred monthly budget. And then it will give you a range of options based on different monthly payments. Well, that's pretty darn cool. It is fast, intuitive, and it completely changes the user experience. But this shiny new tech tool is not perfect. Now for the reality check. The integration does introduce several drawbacks that you need to know about. Con #1, there is a data gap. The AI is only as good as the listing description. ChatGPT cannot look at your photos or read 3D tours. If a listing has a new roof, but the agent didn't write it in the description, the AI won't be able to see it, and you won't find that listing. Key features could be invisible and the listing won't display in the search results. Con number 2, the AI is a brilliant search tool, but it does not replace your local real estate expert. It won't spot a leaky roof. It doesn't tell you about the nuances between neighborhoods or negotiate an inspection repair. Real estate involves emotion, complex contracts, and human nuance. The AI stops where the real estate work begins. Con number 3. For now, Zillow is the only real estate app in ChatGPT, and this gives an enormous advantage, potentially limiting visibility for other agents or local brokerages who have chosen not to display their listings in Zillow. And Zillow is a very powerful home search engine, and it's my opinion that homes for maximum visibility really do need to be on Zillow. So here is the takeaway. Zillow in ChatGPT is an incredible tool for discovery, but it is not complete yet, and it can't replace the expert knowledge of your local real estate broker. So what is the best way to win in this new AI real estate world? For buyers, use the Zillow app and ChatGPT to explore quickly and narrow down your options. Use natural language to describe your dream lifestyle, not just the stats. When you find a house that you love, don't stop there. That is when you bring in your trusted real estate advisor to verify the data, check the comps, and guide you through the home buying process. For sellers, right now, it is all about that listing description. If it is not chock full of the right keywords to capture the important features and upgrades of the house, it very well might not be found through the AI integration. So make sure that the description is keyword rich with everything that needs to be there. This innovation is not about replacing people. It is about smarter search, faster, and more convenience. The human touch is still the most valuable asset in a real estate transaction. The future of home search is conversational, and it actually is starting right now. I am Jodi, Bakst, broker owner of Real Estate Experts, and I am a real estate technology junkie, so trust me, I am staying on top of this shift in the real estate search world so that I can bring the best service and best value to my Chapel Hill and Durham home sellers and home buyers. Let me know in the comments below. Type Zillow AI and tell me what you think is the most unique feature with this Zillow and ChatGPT integration. Is it a good thing? What do you think the AI might overlook in a home description? Things like a vintage appliance or that perfect dog walking trail, or let's say a brand new HVAC system. I will read your responses and dive into how to win with AI in my next video. And as always, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel for more cutting-edge real estate tech analysis. Until next time.